In this experiment, we will draw the magnetic field lines of bar magnet, which we are placing in such a way that north pole of magnet will be toward the south of the earth, means geographical south, and we will try to locate the position of neutral points. This is the basically, if we freely suspend the bar magnet, right, it will be this north, this white spot is related to north of the magnet, right. It will be pointing towards north of the geographic earth, means south of the magnet. That is same thing, means north of the geographic earth will be here. If we face toward east, on left side will be geographic north, and on the this right side will be our south. In this way we can know about the, like this one. If you put the compass, magnetic compass, right, in such a way, then this point, this arrow will be toward north, right, geographic north. We will put the point here and draw the line. The first step is always here, means you put the magnetic compass anywhere on the line, anywhere on the paper, and put the points here like this, these two red points, then draw a simple line, nothing else. Further, we put the bar magnet in place of compass in such a way that north of the magnet is toward the geographic south pole, right? Means south pole, which south you can say, right? Further, this slide is only to show that magnetic field lines come from north of the magnet, like this one you can see here, and so on, come this side. Similarly, from this side also, from this one, this white spot in north of the magnet, right? Now further, if you put the magnet here, north of the magnet here, toward the geographic south, right, a neutral point on this line, axle line, we will find, right. I will show on video also. You can see here now, I have put the magnet here, and you can draw the line in this way, right. We'll put the compass and put the points and draw the line, and so the lines can be drawn. And similarly also here, you can see here this is okay. Now start rotating. Okay, now it is completely rotated. Means this point is related, is basically this point is basically neutral point, right. This point we have to locate, right. So what is the summary you can say? We will put the north of magnet in such a way that north of this magnet, this one, right, is toward geographic south, right. So in this way we can draw the magnetic lines of this bar magnet, like this one, right, and neutral points are here, you can see now again, right. So in this way we can locate the neutral points, right, on the paper. We can draw the lines also. This was a small experiment which we can perform to know about the lines. Thank you.